Hey guys! Now you can see me. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you our Year 3 nature notebooks. This was the year that I had Esther, so we did not do very much. But we're deep into Year 4 now and doing a lot. So this was Becky's kindergarten year, so Year 0. Although she's done a nature notebook every year, she loves to draw. And Ruben's 3rd grade year, his very last year in Form 1. Alright, so first, let's start with, which one is this? This is Ruben's. Bread with Jam, September 2023. This is a slice of cake. Oh, he did some writing in this one. Here is our study on trees. We studied the willow oak. Here's the shape. Willow. Korean spice attracts butterflies. You told me to write that. Hammer. That's cool. North, west, east, south. This is our plan of our house, I think. Here's the dining room. They're doing some plans. Oh, I like his mouse. Looks really cute. This is the plan he did with Daddy, and here's his plan in the bathroom. Empty, empty, empty. There's Ruben's nature notebook. And here is Becky's nature notebook. She's 5. I think this is when we drew the Christmas tree. Which we do that every year. I don't know where Ruben's is. He must have drawn it on a different paper. I just realized Becky's writing completely backwards. I will say, my daughter's is much more colorful, and Ruben's was much more cartoonish. Flower, sun, let's lady's thumb. Becky, age 5. I will say, this year I picked these big, heavy nature notebooks, and I will not do this again because lugging these things out to nature group and walking around with them was not fun. So we'll be switching to smaller nature notebooks for Year 4, which we have 2 weeks left of Year 4. I'm really behind on filming. So when I do my Year 4 nature notebooks, I'm going to have the kids sit down with me and show them to you. They won't remember these. This was a year ago. But they'll remember their ones for Year 4 and they can show them.